Hey guys, this is Nate and this is the Nader Tater channel. Alright, so now we have this box and it's actually quite heavy. And this is a 50-foot obstacle course slash ninja warrior thing that you string up between trees. And that's something exciting for these girls to play with. So we're going to unbox it, we'll throw it up, and then we will put it to use and see how fun it is.
So it's going to be fun and all about this. It's a kid's thing to play and it's going to be fun. I love you. Love you too. So this inside of this box is going to be fun for us. We just have to see what it is and then we get to make it.
Alright, so you can see it has lots of different pieces. We got ladders, we got handles, straps, steering wheel, some big straps here, ratchet strap, you know, a seat, a swing, and then it has a bag that you can include everything in if you want to take down for like winter time and store it. In general, this is the idea of what it's going to look like when it's strung across.
It's going to be fun for us, and we get to make it, and then we get to see what it is. I think it's going to be a castle or a place that to play on. You guys have to choose, because we don't know.
Alright, so now I have all 15 of these attachment points. Now you're supposed to put them 16 inches apart, but you can easily slide them once you have it up. So I just have them installed and then I'll adjust it once I actually get this hanging. So now we got to wrap this around the tree and ratchet it up.
Maybe that's going to be a swing.
Yeah, we'll make a swing here. Okay, can you pull that? Pull that way. Pull. Go that way. Go, go, go. Pull, pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. This way, Rick. Okay, so once the zip line is tight, you can't slide these anymore because the line tautness prevents it from weaving through the bracket here. So I gotta spread these out first and then I can tighten it down. Alright, Elise. Now we can start putting some stuff on it. So let's grab these guys.
Okay.
You can give me one of these. I'll have to get, can you hold this bag for me? Alright, so we're going to get one of these and we'll hook one of these on each of these guys, and then you have to pick a toy that you want to put on these hooks. So, do we make it a little bit higher?
Yeah.
Want to make it higher? Okay, so you can see I have it set up and I wanted to test it, see how high it needs to go. Obviously it's going to deflect down because it doesn't have any vertical support. So it's a little bit low for the bigger kids, a little bit high for the smaller kid, but the slack line should help a little bit with giving them something to stand on. So I'm going to move this one up, put the slack line in, and then give it a try. All right, it's ready to play.